In this question, we have to find which of the given compound give Cannizzaro reaction. So any aldehyde which is not having alpha hydrogen on reacting with 50% NaOH or 50% base give one equivalent of acid and one equivalent of alcohol. Now if we take benzaldehyde, now benzaldehyde molecule is not having any alpha hydrogen. So if two equivalents of benzaldehyde are treated with 50% NaOH, now one molecule of benzaldehyde would be converted to benzoic acid, and since medium is basic, so benzoic acid will be converted to its salt, sodium benzoate, plus one equivalent of benzyl alcohol is formed as a product. While this molecule is having 3 alpha deuterium, so it will show aldol condensation reaction. Now this molecule is also having alpha hydrogen, this molecule is also having alpha hydrogen, so these molecule will go aldol condensation reaction, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, we have to identify change in oxidation state of carbon when formaldehyde is treated with concentrated NaOH. Now this is example of Cannizzaro reaction. When formaldehyde is treated with concentrated NaOH, so in presence of concentrated NaOH, formaldehyde will be converted to formic acid, sodium salt of formic acid, plus one equivalent of methanol is formed during the reaction. In formaldehyde, oxidation state of carbon is X plus -2 for oxygen and +2 for hydrogen, so X is equal to 0. So oxidation state of carbon is 0. In formation, X plus 2 oxygen atom, so -4 and 1 Na positive, 1 H positive, so +2 is equal to 0. So X is equal to, so X is equal to -2, X is equal to +2. In CH3OH, X plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 0. So X is equal to, so X is equal to plus 4 minus 2 plus 2, X is equal to -2. So oxidation state of carbon is here 0. In this case, oxidation state of carbon is +2, and in this case, oxidation state of carbon is -2. So change in oxidation state is observed when formic acid is converted, when formaldehyde is converted to formic acid, then oxidation state increase by 2, and when formaldehyde converted to methanol, now in this case oxidation state decrease by -2, and hence correct answer is C, 0 to +2 and 0 to -2. Cross Cannizzaro reaction is example of. Now cross Cannizzaro reaction is of two types. If both aldehyde group are identical, like formaldehyde is taken, then one molecule will be converted to acid salt and other molecule will converted to alcohol. So same compound is being oxidized and same compound is being reduced when formaldehyde is converted to formic acid. Now in this case formaldehyde is getting oxidized, and when formaldehyde is converted to methanol, during this process formaldehyde is getting reduced. So this is oxidation reaction as well as disproportionation reaction, because same compound is getting oxidized and reduced. But if two different type of aldehyde are taken, for example formaldehyde and benzaldehyde are taken, now the molecule which can be easily oxidized, which will be more reactive, will be converted to acid. For example, in this case formaldehyde will be converted to acid and benzaldehyde will be converted to benzyl alcohol. Now in this case, this is example of redox reaction because one compound is getting oxidized and other compound is being reduced. So this is example of redox reaction, but this is not example of disproportionation reaction because during disproportionation reaction same compound is being oxidized and same compound is being reduced. So every Cannizzaro reaction is not disproportionation reaction, and hence cross Cannizzaro is example of only redox reaction, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to identify final product of given sequential reaction. Now when benzene molecule is reacted with ozone in presence of zinc water, then reductive ozonolysis takes place. 3 equivalents of ozone are consumed and it will be converted to 3 molecule of glyoxal. So glyoxal is formed. Now when glyoxal is treated with concentrated KOH, now Cannizzaro reaction takes place, and due to Cannizzaro reaction, intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction, one CHO group will be converted to alcohol and other will be converted to potassium salt of this acid. So this is the product form, and this is similar to option given in C, and hence C is the correct answer. In this question we have to find which of the following compound undergoes reaction with 50% NaOH solution to give corresponding alcohol and acid. So whenever any aldehyde which is not having alpha hydrogen is treated with concentrated NaOH, 50% NaOH or strong base, now Cannizzaro reaction takes place and one equivalent of aldehyde converted to acid. Since medium is basic, so this acid will be converted to salt and one equivalent of alcohol will be formed as a product. Now benzaldehyde is the only aldehyde in the given compound which is not having alpha hydrogen, so it will form corresponding acid and alcohol, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find whenever metachlorobenzaldehyde, now this molecule is metachlorobenzaldehyde. Now if this molecule is treated with concentrated KOH, now due to absence of alpha hydrogen, Cannizzaro reaction takes place, and during Cannizzaro reaction aldehyde will be converted to acid and one equivalent of alcohol will be formed as a product. So one equivalent of acid and one equivalent of alcohol is formed as a product, so CH2OH. Now we have potassium metachlorobenzoate, and metachlorobenzyl alcohol as a product, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to identify slowest step during Cannizzaro reaction. So to identify slowest step we have to draw mechanism of the reaction. Now benzaldehyde when treated with 50% OH negative, now OH negative act as nucleophile in first step since alpha hydrogens are not present, so it cannot behave as a base. So in first step OH negative act as nucleophile and simultaneously carbon oxygen electrons are shifted to a more electronegative oxygen atom and it will be converted to pH, C, O negative, OH and H. Now this O negative is very strong electron donating, so now O negative will donate electron towards carbon. During shifting of these electrons, now hydride ion from one molecule will transfer simultaneously to other benzaldehyde molecule. Now in this is concerted step in which transfer of hydride ion takes place simultaneously as electrons are shifted towards carbon. During this shifting, it will be converted to PHC double bond OH, and this will be converted to PHC O negative H HH. Now this is benzoic acid is a strong acid and PHCH2O negative is very strong base. So acid base reaction takes place and it will converted to benzoate ion plus PH CH2OH benzyl alcohol. Now second step in which hydride ion transfer to carbonyl group require very huge amount of energy because carbon hydrogen bond is very strong. So this is slowest step, and if this is slowest step then it will be RDS, and hence correct answer is B, the transfer of hydride to carbonyl group. In this question we have to identify what is product form when benzaldehyde or formaldehyde are treated with aqueous NaOH solution. Now benzaldehyde is the molecule which is not having any alpha hydrogen atom, and formaldehyde is also not having any alpha hydrogen. Now when these molecules are treated with NaOH, now OH negative will attack preferentially to that carbonyl group which is less crowded. Now formaldehyde molecule is less crowded, so OH negative will preferentially attack to this molecule. Now in which OH negative attack will be converted to acid, so it will be converted to acid, sodium salt of acid, and hydride ion transferred to benzaldehyde group, so benzaldehyde would be converted to benzyl alcohol PH CH2OH. So formic acid will be converted to formaldehyde will be converted to formic acid, and benzaldehyde would be converted to benzyl alcohol. Out of these two reactant, which is more reactive will be converted to acid, and which is less reactive will be converted to alcohol. Now benzaldehyde is having less reactivity because positive charge of carbonyl group is resonance stabilized and comparatively more crowded than formaldehyde. So correct answer is A, benzyl alcohol and sodium formate are formed as a product. In this question we have to identify order of the Cannizzaro reaction. Now this is Cannizzaro reaction. Whenever aldehyde not having alpha hydrogen are treated with 50% KOH or 50% or concentrated base, then one equivalent of aldehyde will be converted to acid and one equivalent will be converted to alcohol. So if DCOOD is treated with OH negative, now this molecule is not having any alpha hydrogen, so now OH negative act as nucleophile in first step, donates pair of electron to carbon. Simultaneously carbon oxygen electrons are shifted towards more electronegative oxygen and it will be converted to D, C, O negative, D and OH. Now this molecule is having O negative, which is a strong electron donating group. So now this will act as nucleophile. Now DCOD will act as electrophile, and another molecule of O negative DOH which is formed. Now this molecule will act as nucleophile. Now electrons are shifted towards carbon and simultaneously carbon deuterium electrons are migrated to another carbonyl group, so it will be converted to DCO negative D plus DCOOH. Now one equivalent of acid and one equivalent of base are formed. So these will react to form CD3OH plus DCOO negative. Now concerted transfer of deuterium is slowest and RDS. Now this step is rate determining step. This is slowest step, and hence it will decide rate of reaction. Now in rate determining step, one equivalent of DCOOD and one equivalent of this ion is involved. Now this ion is formed from one equivalent of aldehyde and one equivalent of OH. So ultimately in rate determining step, two equivalents of aldehyde and one equivalent of nucleophile OH negative are involved. So order of reaction is 2 with respect to electrophile DCOD, 2 with respect to aldehyde, and 1 with respect to OH negative or nucleophile. So overall order of reaction is 3, and hence correct answer is B. Which of the following reactant on reaction with concentrated NaOH followed by acidification give the following lactone as the only product? To form this lactone, we have to prepare this compound. Now lactones are cyclic ester, so to prepare cyclic ester we have required this acid. Now this acid can be prepared when when this molecule undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. Now due to intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction, one of CHO group will be converted to acid, sodium salt of acid, and one will be converted to alcohol. On acidification, first salt will neutralize to acid, and when acid is formed, now this acid on heating with acidic medium will finally converted to cyclic ester. So this is the cyclic ester form. Now this is cyclic ester, which is also called lactone. So correct answer is C. In this question, we have the following compound, and from the given compound we have to prepare this molecule. Now this molecule is having cyclic ester. To prepare cyclic ester, we need acid and alcohol. So when this molecule is treated with concentrated NaOH, now intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction takes place, and one of the CHO will be converted to acid and one of the CHO will be converted to alcohol. Now both acid and alcohol are present on the same carbon. So on acidification, first this salt get neutralized to form acid and alcohol, and acid or alcohol under acidic medium on heating gives esterification reaction. So cyclic ester is formed as a product, and hence correct answer is B. In the Cannizzaro reaction, the intermediate that will be best hydride donor. So during Cannizzaro reaction, if formaldehyde molecule is taken, then O negative OH is formed. Now this O negative will be electron donor, due to which this H negative will migrate faster. So when more donating groups are attached, then transfer of H negative become more easily. Now in this case one O negative and one OH is present. In second case two O negative are present, so two O negative are better donor. In third case two O negative are present, along with two O negative one methoxy group is present, it will also electron donating, so C will be most electron donating. Now dianions are always better donor than monoanion, so after C, B. D is comparatively less donor because one NO2 is present which is electron withdrawing, then D, and A will be least donor, so maximum donor capacity is present in this case, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to identify final product of the given sequential reaction. Now this molecule is treated with concentrated OH negative first, then treated with excess of KOH, and product form is again treated with acid and heated. Now this molecule is having acid chloride, aldehyde, one gem dihalide and one chlorobenzene. Now on reacting with concentrated OH negative, this acid chloride will be converted to acid, gem dihalide will convert it to aldehyde, chloro group will be removed because two electron withdrawing groups are present at ortho and para position. So if we consider its mechanism, now first acid chloride will be converted to acid, gem dihalide will be converted to aldehyde, and this Cl will remove and convert it to phenol. Under strongly basic medium, acid will be converted to its salt, phenol will be converted to phenoxide ion. Now gem dihalide will be converted to aldehyde. On treated this molecule on further NaOH, intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction takes place, and after intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction, one equivalent of acid and one equivalent of alcohol is formed as a product. Now this molecule on further reacting with acidic medium on high temperature, now this acid and alcohol will form cyclic ester, and this is similar to product given in option C, and hence option C is correct. In this question, first this molecule is treated with excess of NaOH, then acidification is done. Now in presence of excess of NaOH, this molecule is not having any alpha hydrogen, so first it will be converted to one equivalent of acid and one equivalent of alcohol, so it will be converted to COOH, CH2OH, and at this carbon CH2OH and COOH. Now this molecule is formed. Now this molecule after acidification will be converted to ester, so lactone ring or cyclic ester is formed as a final product, which is similar to option given in D, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to identify major product B, but to identify B we have to find reactant A, and reactant A on reaction with zinc oxygen means on reductive ozonolysis, after then reacted with concentrated KOH, form these two products. Now these two products are formed in the reaction. To prepare these two products we require this aldehyde and formaldehyde. Now during Cannizzaro reaction, formaldehyde will be converted to potassium salt of formic acid, and this aldehyde will be converted to neopentyl alcohol. Now this aldehyde, these two aldehyde would be formed when this molecule is undergone reductive ozonolysis. So one oxygen will be added to this carbon and one oxygen to this. So one equivalent of formaldehyde and one equivalent of this compound is formed. Now this molecule on treating with HBr and CCl4 will form carbocation. Now there is possibility of methyl shift, because at this stage carbocation is only having 3 alpha hydrogen, but if methyl shift takes place, now this carbocation is having total 7 alpha hydrogen. So to get stability, methyl shift takes place. Now Br negative attack on more stable carbocation to give the final product, and this is similar to the product given in option B, and hence option B is correct. In this question we have to identify the reactant in which Cannizzaro reaction does not take place. So any aldehyde which is not having alpha hydrogen will give Cannizzaro reaction. In first molecule, this molecule is not having any alpha hydrogen, so it will be converted to acid and alcohol. So it will give Cannizzaro reaction, C=O negative and CH3 whole thrice CHOH are formed. Now in second case, when benzaldehyde is taken on treating with OH negative, it will give one molecule of alcohol and one molecule of acid. Now for fural, next molecule is for fural aldehyde. Now this molecule is again not having any alpha hydrogen, so it will also undergo Cannizzaro reaction. So C=O negative plus for furaldehyde plus this alcohol is formed as a product, while in fourth option D, this molecule is having alpha hydrogen, so it will not give Cannizzaro reaction, and hence correct answer is D.